We are back in Prosper, Texas, and this time we are looking at the single-story home that is 3362 square feet on an 87-foot wide lot. Now, if you saw our video a couple days ago, that one that was 1.5 story had the media room and game room upstairs. This is the baby sister of that floor plan.
Single story, no upstairs on this one.
Correct. You've got like the dark flooring, that kind of that oak floor, which is really nice. Right to your right as you come on in is your first of 4 bedrooms. Each of the bedrooms has its own ensuite and walk-in closet, which is nice.
All of them have the tall ceilings.
And what I love about the floor plan is that all the rooms not only have its own ensuite, but they're kind of separated. Right?
Yeah,
so you
that
have
is
some
really
privacy. As you come on through here, here is your 2-car garage. You have 3 cars in total, but this is your 2-car garage portion. You have the mud area right there, and then here's your other bedroom number 2, again, with its own ensuite and walk-in closet. This one doesn't have a bathtub. This is just a straight shower, but I like how they brought the tile all the way up.
Oh, I like that too. Nice neutral tile. And then you've got that floor, which is really a nice floor.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Very cool. All right. Let's go into the office, which is on the other side of this hallway. And again, you've got a beam. You know how we love that, and I love how it matches. All right. Let's go down here and take a look at this. You've got your guest bath down here.
Pretty. Let me see. The door is in the way. There we go.
And then right over here is your laundry area. What I love about it is not only do you have the sink, washer, dryer, you have your cabinets, and then a spot for your refrigerator with water coming to it so you can have ice. Let's go over to bedroom number 3. You see how we're like zigzagging?
We are.
And right over here, you have your bedroom, and then we actually do have the lights on, but they don't have light bulbs.
Oh, well, that does not help, does
So it'd
it?
be even brighter, guys.
You're right. There are no light bulbs, but it's a pretty bathroom, and it's got a window, so it gave you that light coming in.
Now we're getting into the heart of the home. Look at this. Look at the big beam going across.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Loving that. Waterfall edge, right? All quartzite.
So pretty.
Nice 6-butt island.
All white cabinets, and the island's white also.
All soft close. This thing is, it's got the drawers, it's got the 5-burner cooktop, it has the pot filler.
They're using some really pretty tiles for their backsplashes, some different ones than we've seen, which I like.
And again, it's the same kind of layout. I like this for some reason. It just works.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
And then you got the sink in there for
You've
our...
got the little prep sink, and then hide your air fryer and or your
coffee maker,
etc. You got a Costco approved snack closet. I mean, this is...
Yeah, you have more cabinets than I would know what to do with, that's for sure.
Yeah. And then what do you think about this whole area, this space? I do love it.
I do too, and look, they've wrapped the mantle around the fireplace. I always love that look.
Yeah. I would definitely put some floating shelves on either side, put your TV there. You've got a plug outlet. Gives you some flexibility as far as furniture placement and all that good stuff.
Now Andy's trying to get into the
Yeah, I'm trying to get out to the
patio
patio.
before we even look at the dining.
Yeah. You know, dining is dining. This is where the magic happens.
You love these patios. This is nice.
Yeah, you've got so much space. Really loving how you've got that white brick. A lot of people are looking for that white brick. You've got your gas stub right there. I love how it is attached to that dining area. So you can, you know, go from grill right straight to the table right there.
Yep, bring the
Entertaining.
outside in.
Exactly.
I love
This
it.
thing is 86 feet wide. This is a big lot.
It
you
is a
know?
big lot.
You've got about 20, 25 feet deep. So you got plenty of space to kind of do whatever it is that you want to do. Now let's go check out that primary.
But before we do, I just wanted to show the dining real quick because we didn't even go over the dining. So you've seen it before if you saw our video the other day, but it's a cool dining area. It's a definitely defined dining, which is nice, kind of off the kitchen.
Yeah, a lot of people are doing that now.
Yes.
You know? So you come on through here. So here we are in the primary. Really good size. You get your 3 windows, vaulted ceilings. This is definitely a king size bedroom. You got, you know, plenty of space for your king size bed and nightstands on either side. And then you step into your ensuite. Now, this thing has got one of the biggest showers. And I call it a beachfront shower, but look at this. You've got sinks, got plenty of counter space here. So even if you try to take me over, I still have plenty of space over here. Mm-hmm. And then you've got this beachfront entryway. I like how they put all the tile all the way up, and then they've got a bench, and then they've got the niche right here in the perfect spot. Got a rain head even.
Yeah, this is really pretty. Very nice. I like this a lot.
I do too. And then over on the back side here, you've got your closet.
You do. And that's great. Do you know what? Oh, it does. It has, okay, right over there, it's got the linen closet. On the other one, it was behind me. So, interesting.
Yeah. So anyway, so there you guys have it. These guys are dealing. They're offering $50,000 off of toward cash, kind of to use your buy down or closing costs, however it is that you want to use it, which makes this a great deal. I mean, at this price point, we're not used to seeing window coverings and fridges included and all that good stuff. So they are really making this an attractive place to be. Legacy Gardens is perfect location. You're right off the tollway, right across from that new HEB. You're about 5 minutes into that PGA of America Fields development in Frisco. So this has got a lot of things going for it. If this is of interest to you, definitely hit that dream home form. Let us know what your thoughts are on this house. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.